Question answer chapter 2. Think and tell. Answer the following. Why did Sam lag behind other friends? दूसरे मित्रों से Sam पीछे कैसे छूट गया? Sam lagged behind other friends because he was not used to riding fast. क्योंकि वो तेज घुड़सवारी करना नहीं जानता था. What kind of life did he live after his father's death? After his father's death, he lived a luxurious and lazy life. अपने पिता के मरने के बाद वह एक विलासितापूर्ण और आलसी जीवन जीने लगा. क्वेश्चन है, ये दिए हुए सेंटेंस ट्रू है कि फॉल्स है? Sam was a young boy. ट्रू है. Sam lay in bed all day because he became sick. फॉल्स है क्योंकि वो बीमार तो नहीं था. Sam rode very slowly. सही बात है, ट्रू है. The peasant offered Sam roti and vegetables. ये फॉल्स है क्योंकि उसने दाल रोटी की बात की थी. Sam was lost in the woods when he was returning home from the peasant's house. ये फॉल्स है क्योंकि रिटर्निंग में तो उसको रास्ता मालूम हो ही गया था. Take the correct answers. Why did Sam find the food tasteless? Answer C होगा. He did not feel much hungry because he passed his day without any activity. Why did Sam like the dal and roti? Because Sam was tired and hungry. भूखा था और थका हुआ था, तो जो मिला वही बहुत अच्छा में नहीं देना है. Answer in not more than 50 words. How did Sam spend his life after his father died? After his father's death, Sam became very rich. He lived a luxurious and lazy life. He ate rich food and lay in bed all day without doing any work. वो कोई काम नहीं करता, दिन भर पड़ा रहता था. What made Sam lose his way in the woods? Sam was not used to riding fast क्योंकि वो तेज घोड़सवारी नहीं जानता था. While hunting, he lagged behind his friends and wandered into the woods. In this way, he lost his way. पीछे छूट गया और भटक गया रास्ता. Who helped Sam when he lost his way? How? A poor peasant helped Sam. He gave him roti and dal to eat and also showed him the direction to return home. What made the food tasty or tasteless for Sam? Give reasons. Food was tasteless for Sam when he lived a lazy life and did no activity. But when he became tired and hungry in the woods, simple dal and roti tasted very delicious.